Once upon a time, there lived an old farmer in a beautiful village. He had 2 sons. Both sons fought a lot with each other. There was no unity between them at all. One day, the farmer was making them work with him in the fields, when at that moment the 2 brothers started arguing about something else and started arguing with each other. The farmer was very upset to see all this. After finishing work in the evening, the farmer called his 2 sons to him and started explaining that if you continue to fight with each other like this, there will never be a unity between you 2. People will take advantage of your weakness, and both of you will continue to harm yourselves knowingly and unknowingly. To teach his 2 sons, the farmer told a lesson-filled story. It is a matter of old times that on the edge of a distant forest, there was a peaceful green pasture where 2 buffalo lived, one black, one brown. They were best friends. They grazed together under the sun, played in the meadows, and slept close to each other every night. One day, a hungry tiger passed by. He hadn't eaten for days, and when his eyes fell on the 2 healthy buffaloes, his mouth began to water. He hid behind a big rock and waited for the moment when they would separate. But the 2 friends never left each other's side. Days passed and the tiger grew tired and frustrated. He realized as long as they stay united, I cannot touch them. I must break their friendship first. The next morning, he approached them with a fake smile. "Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? I was just passing through this way and thought to meet such beautiful creatures." The buffaloes ignored him. They knew that tiger never come with good intentions, but the brown buffalo was innocent and kind-hearted. She smiled and said, "Nice to meet you, friend. You are welcome here." The tiger slowly began his plan. A few days later, he said to the brown buffalo, "Look at your friend. Her color is different from ours. If I eat her, we'll all look the same. Then there will be no difference among us." The brown buffalo thought for a while and foolishly agreed. She distracted the black buffalo while the tiger killed the black buffalo. Now the brown buffalo was left alone in the pasture. She roamed around proudly, thinking, "I'm the only one left. My color matches the tiger. He will never harm me." Days passed peacefully until the tiger came again and hungrier than ever. He roared so loudly that the brown buffalo trembled with fear. "Today is your turn." And before the brown buffalo could speak another word, he attacked and devoured her. After he finished his story, the old farmer looked at his sons and said, "True strength lies in unity, whether it's among friends, communities, or within a family. Just like the buffaloes in the story, when we stay together with trust and understanding, no challenge can defeat us. But the moment ego, jealousy, or misunderstanding separates us, we lose the very power that keeps us safe and strong. A united family can face any hardship, but a divided one breaks even under small troubles. So always remember, where there is unity, there is victory. And the greatest form of unity begins at home, when a family stands together with love, forgiveness, and faith in one another. We often see in our lives that sometimes due to ego and selfishness, there is a lack of harmony in families, which leads to others taking advantage of them and using them against each other, and those people never succeed in life.